Viewers, this is Zahra Putri Makaila reporting from Aceh. A flash flood struck the area after heavy rainfall since yesterday. The overflowing river swept into resident zone, flooding home, cutting off road access, and forcing many residents to evacuation. Rescue teams, along with the military and police, are continuing evacuation effort and searching for missing residents. The local government has also distributed emergency aid, including food, clean water, and medical service. For now, response efforts are still ongoing, and residents are urged to remain alert to the possibility of future flooding.